Hello guys, good to be here again.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Look, my wife is holding my hand so strong, she thinks I'm gonna run. No, I'm gonna be this thing. Guys, we're making another delicious dish and I'm very excited. I'm twice as more excited this time. You know why? First of all, I get to eat something very delicious, which is the Lula Kebab from beef. And second of all, the second reason why I'm so excited, to make another video to show you and you can try at home.
And I'm here also, he's very excited.
Yeah, and the third reason my wife is here, I'm very excited. And before we're gonna start, one more thing I gotta tell you. I had started something, okay? I had started the corn because I wanna grill the corn, but before I grill it, I like to boil it for like an hour. So I had started because everything else is gonna take very quick, so I just wanna start this. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the corn, okay? So let's go inside and prepare our Lula Kebab. And you know, seriously, I'm very excited because I get to eat another delicious food today. So let's go, let's start. As I mentioned before, we're gonna do a Lula Kebab. This time it's gonna be a different way of Lula Kebab than the one I posted a while back, okay? So the mixture gonna be different. So what I start here is 2 pounds of meat, beef, and approximately you need 30% of fat. So to the ratio, looks like it's okay. It looks like it's 2 pounds and a 30% of fat. Okay, so I'm gonna start grinding them right now. And you can also buy a grinding beef, but I prefer to grind my meat by myself. Okay, so let me start grinding the meat. And the fat is beef fat. You can put lamb also. I like lamb fat also, but this time I want to do everything with the beef. No lamb today. Okay, so approximately you need 30% ratio to the meat. So let's start grinding them right now. Look at the fat. Look. Boom. One of the reasons you put fat, it makes the Lula Kebab very moist. I mean, you can do without the fat, but it might be a little bit dry, so fat is very important for Lula Kebab. So now that I ground the meat and the fat, now I'm gonna cut red pepper, orange pepper, and yellow pepper, and jalapenos. I gotta put inside. But my wife insists that I should take the jalapenos from the garden. So let's go and take jalapenos from my garden, which is they happen to be a little bit smaller than that. So we're just gonna take 2 pieces. Okay, so let's go and take the jalapeno and start chopping everything. So I'm gonna take 2 jalapenos from our garden, whatever left this season. This season, the truth is, it wasn't very successful, but you know, every season has its own adventure. So I'm gonna take 2. Maybe I'm gonna take 1 more. Hold on 1 second. Take 1 more here. Okay, so let's go and start cutting everything. The meat is grounded with the fat and everything. Now we're gonna start cutting the peppers and the jalapenos and onion and everything else. Yellow and orange. Now they all have to be sliced very thin. This is a 2 pound meat, so you can see approximately how much portion I'm doing on those peppers. I'm gonna cut my jalapeno, homegrown, you know. It's not any jalapeno. So I took 3 jalapenos. I'm gonna use only 2. I don't want it to be too spicy. Now that I chop everything, I'm gonna go one more time because I need them to be small. Now I'm gonna add dill to the mixture. Okay, also chop them very small. Now that I chop the dill, I'm gonna mix everything up. And we're gonna add it to our mixture. Now I'm gonna have to blend in 1.5 onion inside this thing. We're gonna chop it right now. of course, take all the juice out. You should know by now. Now this mixture is a little bit different than my previous one, okay? So try the one that I did before and try this one and see which one you like better, okay? After I chop the onion, I'm gonna take the juice out, because if you don't take the juice out, the Lula Kebab might fall down from the stick. So put it like that, take all the juice out, just put the onion itself. That's the secret for Lula Kebab not to fall. Unless you make big pieces, if you chop the onion, which is we don't like it. We don't want to feel the onion while we eat this thing. Look how good it is. Now I'm gonna add salt. So approximately I'm gonna put this much. I drop more, I drop. I can feel it that that's not enough.
For good luck.
Yeah, my wife always say for good luck. So. And I'm gonna taste it. After I'm gonna mix it, I'm gonna taste it again, okay? Black pepper, don't put too much. One of the reasons why, because we put jalapenos. So, but black pepper gives a certain taste, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. Because I already have over there jalapenos, so I don't wanna put too much. Okay, I'm gonna take a whole cumin, approximately this much. And grab it against my hand nice and hard. Try to break it if you can. And pour the cumin. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it. The meat is ready. We're gonna transfer it over here. Look how good it looks. Okay, so we're gonna leave it right now until we're gonna cut the French fries, and we're gonna make some fresh salad, because cooking this thing is gonna take very, very quick. So I just wanna let it stay for half an hour or so. I'm gonna prepare the French fries. So now that I cut the potatoes, I'm gonna leave it inside the water until I start frying them. Now I'm gonna prepare a salad, very simple and delicious salad, okay? Let's cut them thin. Tomatoes are chopped. Cucumbers are cut. Kosher salt. Black pepper a little bit of olive oil, lemon just a little bit. Okay, you mix it up. Now we're gonna continue. You don't mix it up afterwards, okay? So what I'm gonna put is fresh onion a little bit. The first one was sweet onion, now red onion, parsley. Now don't cut the parsley too small. That's good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is right now mix the onions. We're just gonna put it on top, parsley on top. That's it. That's gonna be our salad for today. While the meat is marinating, I'm gonna prepare the garlic and the dill for the potatoes. Once the potatoes are fried, we're gonna put the dill and the garlic on top of it. So I'm gonna prepare it right now. Mix it right now together.
I love the smell of garlic and dill.
Yeah, that's one.
It reminds me of my childhood.
Now you don't have to chop it too small, the dill. This is perfect. And if you want to make it a little bit extra tasty, spread it, put a little bit kosher salt on top, and that's it. When the French fries is ready, we're gonna put it right on top. Let's put it on the side. I'm gonna put a couple tomatoes on the sticks. We're gonna barbecue them also. They're gonna taste very good, just on the side for the Lula Kebab. It tastes amazing, just like that. And some pepper, which is tastes amazing in the barbecue. Now we're gonna put mushrooms. There's gonna be one delicious dinner. Aren't you excited? Are you excited or no?
Me? I'm very excited.
What do you mean you're not excited? I'm preparing and you're just taking the video. How can you not be excited as a wife? Can she be excited as a wife
I'm very
when the
excited.
men preparing everything? Seriously. Oh, yeah. What takes to make the woman happy? I don't even know. The pepper, mushroom, and tomatoes, everything is ready. Now we're gonna start putting the meat. Approximately 35 minutes passed by. Now I'm gonna start putting my meat inside the stick. Okay, so let's go. So what do you have to do? You have to wet your hand a little bit. Okay. Depends on the size that you want to do. See, just like that. Now this mixture is different than the mixture I did a while back on my previous video, but try both of them, see which one you like better. Okay.
And our neighbor is cutting his grass.
Yeah, my neighbor is cutting the grass.
Perfect timing.
That's really not nice, but it's okay. What are you gonna do?
How dare he is interrupting us.
Okay, so guys, you see how it looks? It looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Forget about the neighbor right now. We're gonna give him one stick of Lula Kebab. I swear to you, he's gonna stop cutting the grass. But it's okay. See? Just do it like that. And right here. You know, right now all the leaves are fallen already. And
we are deep into the fall.
yeah.
It's one of the most beautiful seasons in the suburbs.
Yeah.
So we really
You know, we
enjoy.
also have a lot of deers. I don't know, I always wait for the deers to come out when I videotape, but they never show up. So listen, maybe, you never know, maybe I can get lucky later on when I
They're
take a
shy.
look.
We do have plenty of squirrels who ate all our tomatoes this year.
Yeah, they did. Okay, you see how good it looks? I'm gonna use two ways of cooking it. I'm gonna do my Lula Kebab over here with the charcoals, because if you remember that my previous video I did on gas, the chicken Lula Kebab, and over here I'm gonna cook the tomatoes and the mushrooms and the pepper. Okay, so we're gonna do two different ways. Now that we boiled the corn, we're gonna grill it a little bit. It was boiling for like an hour or so. Okay. The mushroom, we're gonna put a little oil spray, lemon pepper, the best seasoning. Trust me, you don't need to put anything else but this. Okay, just a little bit all over. The same thing goes for the tomatoes. A little bit of the seasoning. And the same thing with the pepper. Spray it. And lemon pepper. That's it. Let's cook this for a little bit, and let's go and start the French fries. Salt, a little bit, black pepper, garlic powder, a little bit, and paprika. Let's mix it. Come on, let's go fry. Okay guys, we're gonna put a little kebab. The French fries are looking good. Let's see how the mushroom and everything else is doing. Looking good, no? Okay, let's go to the Lula Kebab right now. This food already changed color. Look at that. Look at this thing. My French fries are ready. Look how good they look. I just took one stick of the mushroom, whatever I did before. So what I'm gonna do is, it's pretty hot, but I'm gonna slice them thin. After I slice the mushroom, I'm gonna put it on top of the French fries. This mushroom is straight from the barbecue. We're gonna take the chopped dill and garlic that we chopped before, and we're gonna put it on top. Okay, the tomatoes, mushroom, and the peppers are ready. And the corn. Guys, everything is ready. My Lula Kebab is ready. French fries, pepper, mushroom, tomatoes, corn, and a fresh salad. Okay, so let us do the tasting. So I'm very excited and I cannot wait to taste this thing. You want to go first?
Okay. So moist. Oh my god, it tastes so good.
Let me try.
Oh, spicy.
Oh wow. Nice, good stuff. Lynn,
Wow.
you're going to love this thing. Very, very tasty. Let me try. Let me know what you think.
Perfect bite.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay, tomatoes.
Oh my god, these are my favorite. Would you like to take my skin off?
Okay. Grilled tomatoes.
No salt. And you also like to eat with the salt.
Oh wow. The French fries with the mushroom and garlic.
I couldn't wait to taste this.
Good stuff.
Wow. Grilled mushrooms, French fries with garlic and dill. There is nothing better than this.
Pepper. So I'm gonna try one. By the time you're gonna eat a French fry. Delicious, guys. Should try this.
I'm gonna try a fresh salad. It looks so good. It's been staying marinating in all this goodness. Let's see.
Good. Let me try. Let me take a little bit of onion.
Yes.
Good salad. Okay, guys, it was a pleasure being with you. You want to finish it off by?
Yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and this concludes our video on how we make our quick lula with some vegetables, salad, fresh salad, and French fries. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you would like to see anything else, please comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram page as well. It's gonna be all linked down below, and as well as our jewelry page. And I think this is
I like
should
that.
be.
I like that when she mentioned the jewelry page. I like that.
I think this is should be. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Take care, guys. Stay safe. Hope to see you next time.
So.